History of Katra Mosque. Katra Mosque is a historic mosque located in the Murshidabad district of the Indian state of West Bengal. It was built during the reign of Nawab Murshid Quli Khan and is considered one of the oldest and most significant Islamic architectural structures in Murshidabad. The mosque is particularly notable for its unique architectural style, historical importance, and the tomb of the Nawab. In the previous episode, we discussed the history of Murshidabad's naming, which originated from the first Nawab of Bengal, Murshid Quli Khan. In today's video, we will explore the Katra Mosque, built by Nawab Murshid Quli Khan. Construction of Katra Mosque. The mosque was built by Murshid Quli Khan, the first Nawab of Bengal. In 1700, Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb conferred upon him the title Murshid Quli and appointed him as the Diwan of Bengal. Later, in 1717, he became the Nawab of Bengal and shifted his capital from Dhaka to Murshidabad. Between 1723 and 1724, he commissioned the construction of Katra Mosque, which served as the Jama Masjid of the new capital. The word Katra is derived from the French language, meaning market or trade center. The mosque was surrounded by a large market where many traders lived, which led to the mosque being named Katra Mosque. Architectural design of Katra Mosque. The architecture of Katra Mosque is a beautiful blend of Mughal and Bengali styles. One of its most notable features is its two high corner towers, which have openings designed for mounting cannons. The mosque is built on a square-shaped columned base and is entirely made of bricks. It is adorned with magnificent domes and has four massive minarets at its corners. The minarets are octagonal in shape and gradually taper upwards. The front minarets of the mosque are approximately 70 feet high and 20 feet wide. Earthquake and damage to the mosque. In 1897, an earthquake caused damage to two front minarets and some domes of the mosque. Over time, the mosque deteriorated, but it remains historically significant and has been placed under archaeological preservation. Interior of the mosque. The floor of the mosque contains 2,000 square-shaped prayer spaces, allowing 2,000 worshippers to pray at the same time. A two-story chamber inside the mosque was constructed as a madrasa for students studying the Quran. Nawab Murshid Quli Khan's final wish. In his old age, Nawab Murshid Quli Khan expressed his desire to be buried near the mosque. He entrusted the construction of the mosque to his loyal associate, Murad Faraz Khan. The entrance of the mosque has 14 steps leading to it, beneath which lies the tomb of Nawab Murshid Quli Khan. This placement was a symbol of his humility and repentance. He wished to be buried in a place where people entering the mosque would walk over his grave, signifying his remorse for past sins and his desire to remain humble. Religious and historical significance of Katra Mosque. Murshid Quli Khan was a deeply religious and pious ruler. He built this mosque to promote and spread Islam. After his death in 1724, he was buried within the premises of Katra Mosque. Despite suffering damage in the 1897 earthquake, the mosque remains an important historical landmark. It is now protected under the Archaeological Survey of India. Katra Mosque is not just a place of worship but also a remarkable example of Bengal's Nawab era history and architecture. Even today, it continues to be a major attraction for tourists and historians alike. We hope you enjoyed this video. In the next episode, we will discuss the story of Kalija Begum, the daughter of Murshid Quli Khan. Until then, take care and stay well. Goodbye.